Hey, this is Randy. Here's some video of the windows they just installed. Good quality work, good trim out, looks great. Patio door we love. It's a slider now instead of a French door. There's two more of the windows, big double window there, sliders. And I'll move inside to the house. Well, she's running a vacuum cleaner, but this is the inside of the windows. The sliding door. And another good example is the windows in the breakfast nook. Windows, we love them versus the ones with the old grid in it. And again, I don't know if you can see the trim out and the way these windows look. It's great. Did a good job. And we're trying to put the house back together, of course. We do have some blinds on the front windows, which you may not be able to see the windows much. And then I'll move outside to the exterior, give you an overall view of the house. And well, if you can see all these windows, we had approximately 20. Really changed the looks of the outside of the house from the previous windows. Here's a picture of the outside of the window. Great job trimming them in. AJ and Johnny was the best. And I'm not sure what else. Nothing's got blinds on the inside or a curtain, but that's another good installation window. We had approximately 20 windows and a patio door. Did a great job. Thank you guys.